it's Lizette from Crochet Designs, and I'm going to show you how I sew my amigurumi heads onto the body, and it's called the Ladder Stitch, L-A-D-D-E-R, and this example is my Twigalina pattern. So this is her head. She got some twigs on her head, a little ladybug, and this is her body. Her hair is grass. With the yarn from the body, I thread my bent yarn needle. I don't use a straight one. It's so much easier with these. Then I line up the back where my yarn starts with the back of the head. So she's going to be like that. And I just find the stitch that they line up with. It doesn't have to be exact, but it's around here. So I'm going to stick my needle through just to attach them and get started. Now it's called the ladder stitch, and the way I picture it in my mind is how if a ladder was this way, so here's a ladder, and then you know the little parts you step on this way, you're sort of gonna go like this all the way across the two pieces. So let's do the first stitch. So we have it connected to the head, and now we're gonna go around. Here's where we started. We connected up here. Now we're gonna switch to the body and go around one of the stitches on the edge, like this. Pull through, pull it tight. Then go to the head piece. We already went in here. We're gonna go around the next stitch in the head piece. And pull that through, pull that tight, and then go around the post on the body piece, like that. Pull that through, pull it tight, around the next stitch on the head piece. Pull that tight, around the next stitch on the body. See, when you pull it tight, it sort of disappears. You don't really see the brown yarn. Okay, so we just went through the body, back through the head, around the post, pull tight, and go all the way around. Sometimes when I get to this point where I only have a tiny opening left, I'll double check and make sure the head or the body looks stuffed enough. Okay, and then at this point, I'll just go around, I'll just pick a random little post near the end here and go around it like this. And I won't pull all the way, so I can go through the loop and have at least one knot to secure this head. Pull that really tight and then just stick it back through into the body and pull out somewhere in the same color, and then go back through very close to wherever you came out, like right here, and come out somewhere on the other side. And take your scissors. You want to pull a little extra tight and then cut that end off. And because you pull tight when you cut it, it just goes back in. And that is how I attach my head pieces to the body piece using the ladder stitch. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if this video helped, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you were here?